Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Trane blower motor is probably one of the most critical components of your HVAC system, responsible for circulating air throughout your home. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Trane blower motors, exploring their function, the benefits they offer, and what you should consider when choosing the right one for your needs. Get ready to learn everything you need to know to make an informed decision and keep your home comfortable year-round. Number 5. ClimaTek Furnace Blower Motor for Trane and American Standard. Introducing the new upgraded 13 HP Furnace Blower Motor. This motor is designed to enhance your furnace's performance. This ClimaTek part directly replaces multiple part numbers, including MOT9053, MOT09053, and MOT18948. It's a perfect fit for your system. This motor is engineered to work seamlessly with many Trane and American Standard furnaces. It's a reliable solution for your needs. This is a top-quality ClimaTek replacement part. It's built to last, ensuring long-term performance and reliability. The motor is easy to install. It will get your furnace up and running quickly. What we like. This ClimaTek motor is an upgraded design, ensuring better performance. It directly replaces multiple part numbers, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install replacement, this is a great option. You'll appreciate its durability and long-lasting performance. What people say. Perfect replacement for my broken GE Genteq 5KCP39HGS599S, Trane MOT18948. Motor is running great. Was a 15-minute swap. All wires matched up with mine in color and came with properly sized spade connectors. Runs great, is nice and quiet too. Number 4. Supplying Demand W51-14BAA3-02 HVAC Blower Motor. This is a replacement motor for your HVAC system. It's designed to provide reliable performance. Make sure this is the correct motor for your system. The motor operates at 14 horsepower with a single phase and 3 speeds. It's built to meet specific requirements. Ensure it matches your system's needs. It runs on 120 volts and has a speed of 1075 RPM. This motor is designed for efficient operation. Always check the specifications to ensure compatibility. The motor comes with a run capacitor. It's recommended to replace the capacitor when installing the new motor. This helps ensure optimal performance. This HVAC replacement motor is manufactured under strict quality standards. Every motor undergoes rigorous testing before it leaves the factory. This ensures its durability and reliability. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning, or refrigeration parts should only be installed by qualified technicians. Always verify fitment with your specific application. What we like. This supplying demand motor offers multiple speeds for customized airflow. It's a direct drive motor, simplifying installation. If you need precise control over your furnace's airflow, this motor is a solid choice. Its quality construction ensures efficient and reliable operation. What people say. Replaced old sticking motor and now furnace runs fine. Number 3. Evergreen Scientific 6205E Genteq 12 HP Blower Motor. This is a multi-speed, constant torque, brushless DC motor. It's designed to replace direct drive blower motors in various systems. It ensures efficient and reliable performance for heating and cooling needs. The motor features a NEMA 48 frame design with a 5-inch long shaft. It offers 4 discrete speeds using 24 VAC, plus an automatic continuous fan speed. This allows for precise control and energy efficiency. This component is UL and CSA recognized, ensuring safety and quality. The motor's CCW rotation sensing technology adds to its versatility and ease of installation. It is designed to replace motors in residential and light commercial systems. This motor is a direct replacement for several models from major manufacturers, making it a convenient choice. This motor replaces a wide range of models from American Standard, Trane, Carrier, and more. It's a versatile solution for various furnace and air handler systems. It is a reliable and efficient upgrade. What we like. The Evergreen Scientific motor features multi-speed and constant torque for optimal performance. It is designed to replace a wide range of models. If you have a Trane or American Standard furnace and need a versatile replacement, it is a great choice. This motor's advanced features ensure efficient and reliable operation. What people say. Exact fit and function. Runs quiet and blows strong through the vents. Electrical connectors are exactly the same as old motor. Just plug and play. Motor arrived in 2 days, was easy to install, looked nearly identical to the OEM, was a direct plug and play, worked exactly like the OEM, and was a huge value. This was an exact replacement and did not require any rewiring. Started right up and was nice and quiet. Number 2. VEVOR 13 HP Furnace Blower Motor. Make sure the horsepower and specifications match your motor. Installing a lower horsepower motor can cause overheating and malfunction. Always verify the fitment for your specific application. This motor provides 13 HP and operates at 1075 RPM with 4 speeds. It requires 4.4A and 110-120V power supply. It's designed for various indoor furnaces and air handlers. The motor features a 48 frame size with a 0.5 shaft diameter and a 5.2 shaft length. It offers strong performance at high speed while maintaining low noise levels. The motor is housed in a sturdy metal casing. This construction provides high strength and corrosion resistance, effectively protecting the engine and ensuring a longer service life. The motor comes with a CBB 65.5 microfarad 370V capacitor and an 11-inch hold hoop. The capacitor prevents issues like overheating. The hold hoop serves as an installation bracket. This motor is reversible, allowing for both clockwise and counterclockwise rotation. This feature simplifies installation. It's suitable for various homes, effectively circulating air. What we like. The VEVOR motor offers multiple speeds and reversible rotation for flexible installation. It features a durable metal casing for long-lasting performance. If you need a versatile and robust motor for your furnace, consider this one. Its design ensures efficient air circulation and reliable operation. What people say. Matches the old motor in terms of specs, and pulls fewer amps. Includes its own mount and capacitor, normally would cost about $30 to $40 combined if I had to buy them separately. The motor meets and actually exceeded expectations. Easy to install and after 2 minutes of operation actually got quite quiet. Number 1. Trane A197 Furnace Draft Inducer Motor, Fasco Replacement. This is a brand new, upgraded inducer motor. It's designed to improve the performance of your furnace, ensuring efficient operation and reliability. The inducer motor plays a crucial role in your furnace's operation. Its primary function is to remove exhaust gases, ensuring safe and efficient heating. This motor is a direct replacement for Fasco models. It is built to the highest standards for durability and performance. This motor is specifically designed for Trane A197 furnace models. It ensures optimal performance and compatibility, providing a seamless replacement experience. By efficiently expelling exhaust, this motor helps your furnace operate at peak efficiency. This can lead to lower energy bills and a more comfortable home environment. What we like. This A197 motor is a brand new upgraded design. It is specifically designed for exhaust vent applications. If you need a reliable inducer motor to expel exhaust from your furnace, this is the perfect choice. It ensures efficient and safe operation of your heating system. What people say. This replacement was the exact same make, model, and manufacturer as the original unit installed with our Trane furnace. New unit runs like a champ and sounds like a new blower inducer motor should sound. Fit my Trane 1590 perfectly. Received the motor quicker than expected. As others have mentioned, the drain on the bottom is a little tricky to connect, but installation was straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.